Red color. Green color. Blue color. I draw a capital letter A to Z. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Let's paint. Orange color. A for aeroplane. B for banana. M for monkey. N for nest. You guess next letter is X. X for xylophone. W for watermelon. Blue color. F. F for frog. G for gorilla. You guess? Next letter is J. J for jelly. K for kangaroo. Guess next letter. Oh, Y. Y for yogurt. Z for zip. Black color. C. C for cow. D for dolphin. Next letter is O. O for octopus. P for pig. You guess? Next letter is R. R for rainbow. S for sun. Red color. E for elephant. H for horse. I for ice cream. Q for coin. L for lollipop. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for violin. Let's repeat, learn. Capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.